That P3D file contains scenery data for the Prepar3D flight simulator. Terrain, buildings, and visual environments that create immersive flying experiences. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, configure, or troubleshoot these flight simulation scenery files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful P3D file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. P3D files are scenery data files for Lockheed Martin's Prepar3D professional flight simulation platform. They contain terrain mesh data building models, airport layouts, vegetation textures, and seasonal variation data for creating realistic visual simulation environments. Prepar3D P3D files use a compiled scenery format derived from Microsoft Flight Simulator's BGL format, storing terrain, geometry, object placement, autogen definitions, and texture references. They are compiled from source using the Prepar3D SDK scenery compiler tools. There is a direct software link between P3D and Prepar3D by Lockheed Martin. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows provides only partial support for this category, so proper visualization requires compatible 3D tools. Your reliable first step is the Open With action. Right-click the P3D file and select Open With. If Prepar3D is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the application that works. If you cannot access the P3D file, no problem. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the P3D file. First, installing scenery. Copy P3D scenery files to the Prepar3D scenery directory or a custom add-on scenery folder. Open Prepar3D and navigate to World Then Scenery Library to add the new scenery directory. Set the appropriate layer priority to ensure correct rendering order. Next, configuring display. In Prepar3D, navigate to Options, then Settings, then Display to configure scenery rendering quality. Adjust terrain, mesh resolution, autogen density, and texture quality based on your hardware capabilities. Higher settings produce more detailed scenery at the cost of frame rate. Finally, troubleshooting visual issues. If scenery appears missing or corrupted, verify the P3D files are in a directory listed in the scenery library. Check for BGL compilation errors in the Prepar3D event log. Ensure texture files referenced by the scenery are present in the correct texture directories. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.